Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to check if the one you're holding right now, your iPhone, is a second-hand or refurbished iPhone. Because there's a lot of that going on the market right now, especially as of now, as of this date, as of today I think iOS 15 or iPhone 15 has just come out. So there will be a lot of refurbished, older version of iPhones out there in the market. Now, how to check if the one you got or the one you bought right now is gonna be refurbished, right? So the main thing, the very first one is gonna be on and off the phone, making sure everything is good. Once you turn it off, it will be turning back on in a brief moment. For example, as you can see here, if you're facing your phone, if you touch the left bottoms, the two buttons right there, those should be the volume buttons, right? And then you're gonna see a button right here. Very specifically for your version of iPhone, this should be the power or side button. Please hold on to that and then you're gonna see slide to turn off. Apparently I cannot do it right now because I'm screen recording, but please slide off and then once your phone get dark, hold that side button again and then wait for it to turn on. Now, occasionally if it's brand new, it will only take a minute or two. 2 minutes actually is a lot right now for brand new phones to restart. Now, next step is gonna be checking if all buttons are working. Click everything you'll see. So power button is good, volume up button is good, lower volume is good, and the silent button should be around here, just above the volume and volume down button. So as you can see right now, mine is perfectly working. Now secondly, for iPhone 7, I think they still have that haptic button. Check if that fingerprint is going and working as well. Now lastly, or second to the last option, is checking the battery health. Of course, go to settings right there and look for battery. Now you're gonna see right there, battery health charting. As you can see, my right now is required service. So this is not actually important on your end. So making sure that maximum capacity is 100% right there. And right here, you're gonna see that battery is healthy. Okay, those are the two things you check. And lastly, of course, in general, go back to the general settings right there and then click on about phone. Now you're gonna see right here there's gonna be EID and then IME, right? Focus on IME right there and please give this number to your phone courier or service courier to check if this phone is stolen, if it's sold to black market, if there's any reason that this is blacklisted, or if your courier has any contact or record with this phone. Okay, just give them this number right here. So that's gonna be actually the few steps to check if your phone is refurbished or secondhand. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Bye for now.